In these next few minutes, I will show you how you can get started and generate your first watermark into YouTube only by using Canva, totally for free. So the very first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to have a YouTube account. Here into YouTube, I'm going to locate my YouTube studio. Here into the YouTube studio, here into the left part, you should see the section that says customization. And into customization, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this element that says video watermark. Now the video watermark will appear into my videos in the right hand corner of the video player, like this. So here I have a few recommendations of the video watermark. An image that is this amount is recommended. Use a PNG file, or that would be actually it, or for example a GIF with no animations, BMP or JPG file that is 1 megabyte or less. So with this information, we can now go directly here into Canva. You have the link down below in the description if you want to get started and download Canva totally for free. Once you've downloaded Canva, let's go here for create a design and let's enter this actual information, 150 by 150. So let's go back here into Canva. Let's go for custom sized 150, 150. And of course this in pixels. Let's create a new design and we are now inside the new editor of Canva. Here, this is the preview of our design of what we're going to be seeing here. And now into the left part, we have the design stuff. We can choose the elements if you wanted to. We can check out elements that we can add, for example, shapes. I can add graphics. I can add AI image generator. I can add stickers, photos, videos, the audios, and so much more. I can add text fonts combinations, drawing, project, and much more. Since we're going to be adding a watermark, the most easiest way of creating a watermark is by using just a symbol or something that is related into your brand. For example, here into my brand that is called is healthy, into this YouTube that we have generated, I have this logo of this heart. So I can use this as a watermark, or I can use something different. For example, I aged, right? So I can go back into Canva and start my designs. I'm going to add, for example, let's say this that says is healthy, and I delete this and I just stick around with one and aged. Now I'm going to select here the text font and I'm going to look out for something like this, a little bit bigger, and a dot, a simple dot. This is going to be my watermark. You can add more stuff. For example, let's go for elements. You say that you might want it to add, for example, like a heart, right? So I can add this shape of this heart and I can put it around here and I can do exactly the same color. Since this is a watermark, I don't want her to use a lot of colors or so make sure that we are using really easily elements. So now I'm going to try to put this into the corner and stretch it all the way into my document, like this. If you have a square design, try to make this appear into all the corners and there's no problem adding in that. Now if you want to, you can change the color of it. For example, let's say that I select all of it, go for color, document color, and I change this for this color, right? Something like this. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the design of the element. Once you have finished with this process, you can now make sure if this one looks great or not. In this case, I think this one looks great. I think that the last thing that I can do is to add just a quick line like this, put it down below and all the way here. Now I'm trying to make the border a little bit more stretcher. Once I have finished with this process, I'm going to try to change the color as I did before. There we go. This is my watermark. Now I go for share and download. Now this process is really important. Usually you have a 150 size, just leave it as it is, but I wanted to enable the element that says transparent background, and the file type should be PNG file. This is for illustration elements. If I hit now into download, I do have now the element that I can download. So I can go here for save, explore into the file explorer, and when I double clicked, I should see that here is my design with no background, and it's going to be really small. So I can go now back here into YouTube, channel customization, or here just click into the upper side of your account and look out for the option that says view your channel. Once you have checked out the view your channel, go for the left part, customization, all the way down and go for video watermark and upload. Now here I'm going to import here this element, open, and done. Now to make this a little bit more bigger, you can try to select here your watermark and try to make this smaller, for example like this or whatever. In my case, I think this one actually works just as easy like this. Make it a little bit more bigger, put it right into the center and go for done. And check out how here we have now this video watermark, and I hit now the option that says published, and you are good to go. When you publish a video, it should be appearing now your watermark directly into your content. Now in this case we only have one short, but if you upload your own videos here, automatically should be appearing now your healthy elements that have already been added automatically. So with that being said, we have now reached this end of the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great elements that you can use from Canva directly here into YouTube. Thank you guys once again for watching the video. Have lots of fun designing here into Canva, and we will be seeing you on a next video. See you next time.